How to transfer Amazon gift card to bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Amazon gift card to your bank account. So let's get started. First, open up Amazon. After you open Amazon, go to your profile page. Make sure that you're logged into your profile first and go to this person looking icon right beside your home page. Right there you will see your account option. Tap on your account. After you do that, scroll down. There you will see your payments option or Amazon Pay option. Tap on your payments or Amazon Pay. Now here you can add your redeem your Amazon gift card. Tap on rewards plus balances. Tap on add, and there you will see gift card. Tap on redeem a gift card. Now right there you can enter your code or you can simply scan the code. After you do that, tap on apply to your balance. Now what you can do is you can go back, and after you're on your Amazon Pay, there you will see an option that says send money. Tap on send money, and after you tap on that, you will get the option to send your money to your bank account. Just type in your bank details and just send the money, and that is basically it. That is how you transfer Amazon gift card to your bank account. So that is all for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.